MRecktv.
It's SJ for MRecktv News. Dame Dash responds to Steve. Jay wanted more. Jay seen Dame ceiling. This is the reason I had to smack the shit out of Steve Stoute a couple years ago, because he's always speaking on another man's business. Good thing I've evolved. Hashtag stay tuned. At Club Shay, hashtag culture vulture.
Even the Dame Dash interview, as f***ed up as that was, he's a gigantic, almost not. He blew it. He had Jay-Z, he had the most important artist of his generation.
So what happened with that relationship? How did that relationship that was so good sour so fast?
Dame's antics were just, it became like people also, over time, you mature. Right. It's like you didn't have friends at 16, but by the time you turned 19, they were still doing the same shit that you was 16, and you're like, I can't. Like,
yeah,
we gotta, you know, you start spending less and less time with them because of it. It's like one of those things where Dame wouldn't change. The way he spoke to people, the way he treated people, he was angry.
About what? Bro, you getting paper.
He was angry because he had a strong perspective about his business philosophy, and if any time a partner of theirs tried to like go around him, or meanwhile people weren't going around him, the people around him wanted to meet with other people.
Right.
People were becoming less beholden to him, but he was unaware of it. Then he would, like, you know, while he was building businesses, which partly he would go off all around the world with cameras and girls and all kinds of crazy shit, and then come back flipping out on everybody as if, you know,
they were wrong.
Yeah. Or like, why'd you guys do all this shit without me? Like, bro, you didn't build a business that was so operationally tight that you could just go away and come back and shit be the same and all that shit. It wasn't even like that. Jay grew up, you know, Jay wanted more. I think Jay seen Dame's ceiling. I mean, I think that's really what it was. I mean, Jay seen Dame's ceiling.
You can't fault a man for wanting to get better.
Nah, he wanted more.
MRecktv.